Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete a subscribed calendar on your iPhone or iPad. Adding a subscribed calendar to your iPhone or iPad is a great way to add a shared calendar from somewhere else, such as a school calendar, a work calendar, or a family calendar. However, if you no longer need access to a subscribed calendar, it's a good idea to delete it from your iPhone or iPad calendar to eliminate clutter and prevent confusion. Thankfully, deleting a calendar you've subscribed to on your iPhone or iPad can be done with a few quick taps. Now let's walk through the steps to delete a subscribed calendar on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. The settings screen appears. Step 2. Scroll down the Settings menu and then tap Passwords and Accounts in the menu. The Passwords and Accounts screen is displayed. Step 3. Select Subscribed Calendars. A screen displaying all of the calendars you're currently subscribed to on your iPhone or iPad appears. Step 4. Tap the subscribed calendar you want to delete. The information screen for that specific calendar is displayed. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then tap Delete Account. A menu flies up from the bottom of the screen notifying you that deleting this account will remove its calendars from your iPhone or iPad. Tap Delete Account again. You'll return to the subscribed calendar screen where the calendar you just deleted will no longer be displayed. Additionally, all of that information will be automatically removed from your iPhone or iPad calendar. Let me know what your favorite calendar app is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.